In our given example, plain text is hello and the key size is 15. We have two formulas. For encryption, we are using plain text plus key mod of 26. And for decryption, we are using ciphertext minus key mod of 26. First, we will go with the encryption process. So for encryption, we have taken all these alphabets then like H, E, double L, O, and for all the letters, we have write the index of the alphabet. So according to this table. So in the table, we have the alphabet like A to Z. For A, we are taking the index 0. For B, we are taking the index 1. And likewise, we are taking the index for Z is equal to 25. So now, what is our plain text? Our plain text message is hello. For hello, we have taken the index like 7, 4, 11, 11 and 14. So now, first of all, we have to put the values in our formula for our encryption. So first of all, we have to add 7 plus key size. So what is the key size? That is 15. So 7 plus 15 mod of 26. So 7 plus 15 it is nothing but 22 and 22 mod 26 we will get the value 22. Now 4 plus 15 mod of 26. That is 19 mod 26 is equal to 19. Then 11 plus 15 mod of 26. So as per this manner we have to calculate it for all the letters, all the alphabets. So 11 plus 15 we got the value 26 mod 26. We will get the value 0 because 26 mod 26 is equal to 0. And then 14 mod 15 mod of 26. So now 29 mod 26 is equal to, we get the value 3. So now all we get the index of that ciphertext message. So according to the index, we have to write down the alphabet for our ciphertext. So for W, we can write 22 for W. Then for 19, we can write T. For 0, we can write A. And for 3, we can write D. So for plain text message hello, we got our ciphertext that is WTAAD. Now we have to begin with our decryption process. So how we perform the decryption? As per our formula like ciphertext minus key mod of 26. So first of all, we need to write our ciphertext message that is W, then T, then A and D. So what is the index of that W? We got the index of W is 22. For T, what is the index? 19. For A, it is 0. And for D, it is 3. So as per the formula, we need to subtract 15 from our alphabet and we need to calculate the mod of 26 for their number. So 22 minus 15, it is nothing but 7 and 7 mod 26 is equal to 7. Then again 19 minus 15, we get the value 4 and 4 mod 26, we will get the value 4. For 0, we are taking 0 minus 15 mod of 26. So how we will solve this for 0 minus 15 mod of 26? Whenever we are going with the 0 minus 15, then we get the value minus 15. But we cannot do it for minus 15 because there is no alphabet is there for minus 15 index. So we need to take this 26 here plus 0 minus 15 mod of 26. Then we will get the value that is 26 minus 15 is equal to 11 and 11 mod 26 we will get the value 11. Same it is for this A alphabet. And for D, we will take 3 minus 15 mod 26. Again, we get here minus value. So 3 minus 15, you will get minus 12. And for minus 12 also, there is no alphabet. So how we will adjust that value? So you have to add here 26 plus 3 minus 15 mod of 26. So 26 plus 3 minus 15, you will get the value that is 14. So 14 mod 26, again you got the value 14, right? So that's the way we can solve it for negative number. Now we need to write for 7 it is H, for 4 it is E, for 11 we can write L, and for 14 we can write O. Now we get our ciphertext to plaintext, that is message hello. Now we're done with our encryption as well as our decryption process.